Hello happy people, this is your host CryptoPuffy and welcome to our today's show. If you ever tried to swap cross-chain from ETH to BSC or BSC to ETH for example, then you are definitely familiar with the slippage problems that many crypto critics use against DeFi. If you use Binance Bridge for example, maybe because you didn't have your own Binance account, then you might have found it hard to swap back to ETH chain from BSC. This sounds like you? Well, if you are complaining about slippage, then maybe it's because you haven't heard of SmartSwap, the world's first smart decentralized exchange, which provides one-click slippage-free cross-chain swaps in a simple layer. In this video, we are going to do a general review of SmartSwap, explaining what it is, its main features, how it works, and the problem it seeks to resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end and learn about a project that provides a way to swap assets and currencies without signups or centralized entities, all while guaranteeing an exact face value match. The interoperability of SmartSwap alone is enough to guarantee a 100x if the team manages to do what they promise. This video is the first in a series of videos on SmartSwap, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of our videos. As always, the content here is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and is not to be used as financial advice. It might be wise to check with your financial advisor before making any decision, since your capital may be at risk. With that said, let's jump into it. What is SmartSwap? Well, this is the world's first smart decentralized exchange, which is called on short SDEX, that provides a one-click swap that is both slippage-free and cross-chain. It does this in a simple layer that decentralizes the access to all CEX and OTC, which are centralized exchanges and over-the-counter industries. If you are new to the concept of slippage, don't panic. This simply refers to the gains or losses that you make on a trade depending on what the price changes to and your slippage tolerance. SmartSwap is an exchange that is going to be a game changer, considering that there are no other smart exchanges at the moment that guarantees 100% zero slippage. The best way to think of SDEX is like PayPal creating a simple one-click layer on top of banks to send and receive funds. This means that you have access to all the liquidity that the banks have to offer while doing your trading. This is similar to having a backdoor to all the exchanges and the liquidity that they have to offer, don't you agree? Well, you see, at the moment Uniswap can handle all its users, although the gas fees remain pretty high. But imagine if the whole world decided to adopt Uniswap as their decentralized exchange. There would be so much slippage that Uniswap would probably collapse. But this is not the case with SmartSwap. In fact, to help you understand it better, think of the following features that makes this protocol not only cool, but also very bullish. So, we have the 100% cross-chain. SmartSwap will be free from wraps, sidechains, light chains, and even validators. It will provide a 100% true one-click swap between all blockchains. 100% value match. With SmartSwap, you receive new crypto that is equal to the face value that you sent with zero slippage. That's pretty cool, right? Then, SmartSwap is also 100% safe. This means that there are no hot wallets, no deposits, no accounts, and no custodial wallets. Another interesting feature, especially if you are on a shoestring budget, is its 100% reimbursement. At the end of the swap, once the final cost of each user, either sender or receiver, is known, SmartSwap will send both users smart at the same face value to rebate users and gas paid through the swap. Users must join the bus to receive the reimbursement. Next up, SmartSwap offers a 100% free license. This allows you to build your own SmartSwap at no cost or become an affiliate. Another one that you will definitely love is the ability to remain 100% anonymous, which means that you maintain complete privacy with no KYC or AML needed. This is definitely the dream of any crypto fan. SmartSwap is also 100% scalable, meaning no LP, no pools, but only a true decentralized CEX and OTC liquidity bridge experience. Lastly, and quite obvious, is that SmartSwap is 100% decentralized. It uses a DAO approach with a closed system lacking any single point of failure privilege. Well, that's pretty amazing, isn't it? Are you enjoying the video so far and getting value from it? If yes, then please hit that like button. Also, Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and press the bell icon so that you will always be notified about our newest videos. And just in case you are new here, our channel is your home of all amazing facts and latest developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. Now, let's go back to SmartSwap. You can also get your own free license with SmartSwap, with the possibility of either setting up your fees and reimbursement or setting up your design, which includes the type of license, logo details, and even wallet button. Another possibility is to become a partner of SmartSwap by applying for your free SmartSwap license. This is a simple process that will require only your email address, full names, and company website if you have one. SmartSwap's contract utilizes a zero volatility patent pending method, which prevents slippage and wholly reimburses users' fees and gas costs. The swap works by letting users choose a token they want to swap, call it token A, and then select a receiving token, call it token B. Unlike a decentralized exchange, automatic market maker, or centralized exchange, SmartSwap asks users the USD face value of the token they want to swap rather than the token amount they want to receive. This means that the SmartSwap prices token A and token B based on the current average market price between multiple reliable exchanges, all in one click. How does the process work, you ask? SmartSwap processes the swaps based on different methods and priority solutions. It allows for P2P swaps, P2C swaps, and even P2P and C swaps. By default, it swaps between two users because with such swaps, each counterparty will cover only the send gas cost instead of both send and receive, which will be the cheaper solution for both sides. In case there is no counterparty, the SmartSwap will swap the order and start with the P2C, peer-to contract. And if that contract doesn't have enough liquidity, the SmartSwap will execute the order partially and leftovers will become pending as P2G. That means peer-to-group. This means that either the contract will be rebalanced by new counterparties or liquidity providers such as CEX or OTC, and the total swap is completed by a group of transactions. Also, important to note about the swap limit is that users have the ability to control how their swap executes through the platform. They can choose to swap the same market value at the time of swapping or the same cent value, providing users with more control over their swaps. In terms of the fees, they are incurred for a successful swap on SmartSwap and are 100% reimbursed with the Smart token. The total fee is 0.3%. The breakdown is such that 80% is utilized to buy back Smart, while adding liquidity to the market by rewarding users for swapping. The remaining 20% goes to the Atom Foundation maintenance and to market the swap. The mission of SmartSwap is to become a sustainable DAO that provides much needed zero volatility cross-chains in a blockchain fashion to the cryptocurrency community. Hence, the token supply functions encourage users to utilize the platform through rewards while only minting if an equal value asset is presented to the community. This is mainly aimed at facilitating a sustainable DAO design. The Smart supply does not include a seed sale or allocation of a team supply, but only focuses completely on rebuilding and adding value to the ecosystem through liquidity and the CEX listing of both SmartSwap and Smart token. The detail of the tokenomics are available on the project's white paper, so feel free to check it out. But it's important to note that the total pre-mint will be 1.9 billion tokens, and the Smart baseline pre-sale price will be 0.01, while the Smart listing price in exchanges and PDO will be 0.02. Last but not least are the venture partners on board with SmartSwap. These include a long list of some prominent names in the game, such as Draper Venture Network, Blocksync Ventures, DAOmaker, all the way to Sky Ventures, Mandalore, and Meridian Capital. You may not hear much hype about this project yet, but it will definitely has the potential to earn a 100x, especially if they succeed in making the project work. So be sure to add it to your watch list and be alert for any development. A good way to do this will be to subscribe to our channel, where we will always have all important updates, but you could also follow SmartSwap on Twitter and Telegram. And for more specific questions on how to participate, you could email them directly through their official email address. And if you wish to understand the project more in details, there is an interview with Jude Yoda on the official website. That's all we had for today, and we really hope that you enjoyed, folks. Please be sure to like the video if you get value from it, and make sure you subscribe and click the bell button so you never miss any of our videos in the future. Until next time, cheers guys, bye bye!